Energetica India is at Intersolar Gujarat 2026. We have Mr. I.B. Rao, Managing Director, POM Systems and Services with us. Hello sir, how are you feeling today?
Yeah, fine, fine. It's good to be here.
Tell us about your expectations from Intersolar this year.
Yeah, Intersolar, we are looking for actually for hybrid inverters and energy storage systems. We are more focusing because this is a future trend in the industry. We are now showcasing for both domestic, industrial and commercial applications.
And tell us about the new products or solutions that you are showcasing today here at Intersolar Gujarat 2026.
Yes, we are focusing mainly hybrid inverters up to 50 kilowatts with the BSS certifications, and we have energy storage systems. This is like this. This is actually 50 kilowatts power and with a 75 kWh battery, and like this we have up to 200 kilowatts power and up to 300 kilowatts battery, built-in battery. And this system is very much useful for all type of industries, establishments, and including replacing a generators. So apart from that, we have for domestic we have up to 10 kilowatts built-in battery system, all-in-one system we call it. That is hybrid inverters with lithium battery, built-in lithium battery. That will be useful for all domestic and residential applications. That is very useful to that. Apart from that, we have on-grid inverters up to 350 kilowatts that we have showcased. That is finally we have a new introduction we did is heating water with solar panels. This was a new concept actually the world is taking up now. Earlier it was thermal power. The thermal panels they used to use it. That is like tubes, using tubes with the sun, this thing. But this is with the solar panels, and we will be giving heating the water. We have developed a controller, so that it will convert it to solar panels to the power, and it will heat we will connect the heating element and current to the tank. So this will give much heating for the water. We can achieve up to 75 degrees for 200 liters tank. We have two models, 3 kilowatts and 5 kilowatts. This is very good for all domestic and commercial applications.
And sir, in solar sector, what are the emerging trends that you are seeing? The trends that could go far in the future?
Yeah, see, as you saw that now exporting to the grid by the industry and for the residential applications and the commercial applications is not viable nowadays. So future trend is even governments are encouraging for hybrid inverters. They want storage power. Storage the power and use it in the night or like that. So we are seeing the trend for hybrid inverters and energy storage systems. That is a big trend is coming up in the future.
And next year at Intersolar, what can we expect from POM? It's doing great work in the solar sector.
Yeah, we are in this thing. See, we are more focusing on hybrid inverters and energy storage systems. In this, we are going to develop some more new models were coming up. So maybe we'll be focusing on that and display in the ReneWX 2027-26. Yes.
Good luck with that, sir. Maybe wish POM Power all the very best. And thank you so much for your time today. Enjoy Intersolar 2026. Thank you.